From bright light inspection systems to precision-engineered storage, Syntec USA is committed to innovation, reliability, and excellence in semiconductor manufacturing.
Why proper storage matters. Photomasks are valuable assets, sensitive to contamination, scratches, and improper handling. Without secure and efficient storage, they can degrade quickly, leading to costly defects and production delays. That's where high-quality storage racks come into play. If you're looking for reliable, professional-grade storage racks, we've got you covered. Contact us to learn how our solutions can protect your photomasks and enhance your operations.
For over 40 years, Syntec USA has been the trusted name in photomask and reticle storage solutions, delivering high-quality stainless steel racks, carts, and clean room equipment designed for the semiconductor industry. We specialize in customized storage solutions that safeguard critical components, ensuring contamination-free, organized, and efficient operations.